Did that idiot forget to go grocery shopping again? Come on!
I gotta get out that shit. This is nowhere to live, man. This is the only joy I have left. You're my only friend.
Hey, idiot! Is that my phone?
No. This is not yours. I got a fresh box of Tim Biebs.
Boobs?
Biebs!
Boobs?
Biebs!
Boobs?
Biebs! Never mind. You're not getting any.
That's what you think. Those are mine. Aye.
The hell?
My eyes.
Dude, you've been inside too long. You've become light sensitive. When was the last time you left the house?
August 27th, 2021.
It's my chance now to get that rodent out the house.
Uh-oh.
I'm gonna have me some fun. 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 Tommy, where are you? Crush you.
You can't see now, can you? I got you. Oh, sweet heavens. I finally got my house back. Think again.
Oh no.
Yeah. Come here, dude. Come on! I gotta admit, Biebs make some good donut holes.